Assalamu alaikum, welcome back and Stick24 channel. Today I'm going to show that how can you set your Gmail account in auto system. This is the update tutorials for 2022. Now start the tutorials. Now open your Gmail account at first. When your Gmail account appears, you look the configure settings options. This system when you are out of your services and office and others activities. Now you set your email because it is the most important for the auto reply system in your account when you are out of vacation. So now start to go to settings. Now quick settings is available. This is the customization. Now see all settings. When the settings appear, you will scroll down, totally down. When you scroll down, now look the update out of office auto replay. Any message you want to select here automatically. So send an automated replay to the incoming message. If a contact sends you several messages, this automatic replay. So which is time selected now. Out of office auto replay on. If you need it on, to check mark. Now start in date. So I'll start 27th March last as your vacations 011. Selected 1. My vacation is 26 March last 1 April 2022. So now started subject of out of office. If you want to rather change your subject quickly to vacation, sleep, vacation leave. Now if you want to subject change, plain text, hello dear, hello sir slash madam. Now install out of office, please contact later, and use another topics still on vacations. Add topics you want to set up. Want to more highlighted, now click on bold and your text color. You customize, I will choose text color. Okay. Now select on just check mark. Only send a response to people in my contacts. If already you are included, you contact Gmail contact and others, only they know here. But if you want to everyone notice this message, so now it is unchecked, no check. Now click on save change. Okay, vacation leave end of now settings. Now I check the mail. What's the activities? Now open my another Gmail account. Okay. Now just type confidence topic and now just send. Just wait for replay another Gmail account. Okay, look that the Naim Islam account already is vacation leave. Now read this message. The hello sir madam, I am still remote. So if this tutorial is very helpful for Gmail account users, so stay connected and Stick24. Thank you for watching this video.